Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back here again to my do-it-yourself. So today, no carpentry. We're doing some repair on the car. So what we're having here, we did this one last time. It's the exhaust. It came. This is like after a year. Let's see. We can go. We might probably just go in the other side. So the muffler, all the exhausts, all the way at the back. That's what we did last time. What happened here? I know maybe for some reason this one got probably rusted out, and that's how it came off. So now, all right. So this one, right? This piece still solid. So we're trying to get this one welded at the shop, but nowadays there's no shop that you can find. It's really hard. They're asking us to replace the whole thing, right? So if that is the case, then I'd rather replace it myself, because I was like thinking of have someone else to weld this, right? So for replacing the whole thing, it's cost a lot of money, right? And this is the original one. I really don't want to have it replaced, right? So for me, probably what I was thinking to do, so we're just gonna I don't know, if I only have a welding, I'll just gonna weld. I have a welding, but it's gonna be difficult, right, to weld this one properly, because especially on top, right? So our home welding is not really good. So what we could do right now is to cut this, right, and then cut a little bit here, and we'll add up a coupling. So once we cut this one off, right, from here, so then there will be a gap. So what I was trying to do was, I was thinking is like cut it off, cut here, and then put a coupling. I mean like a extension or a coupling or something, right? And then we'll go from there. All right. So doing this, you're gonna save a lot of money. All right. All right. So let's just cut this one, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so what I need, that's 2 inch. The outside is 2 inch, the inch also 2 inches is gonna go there. Okay, got it. So how much we need? It's about 2 inches. So we'll get the coupling first, and then if we have to trim it, then we'll trim it out. All right, let's go Canadian Tire. And then also we need clamps, right? So that way it will hold in place, and attack it with my welding, and I think it should be good. All right, we'll go like that. All right, so this is the Canadian Tire. That is one of the closest where we are right now. So I'm just hoping they have everything. Right? Okay. Feeling lonely, loving you. Wow, someone loving you. Okay. I love you. I love my work. Okay, here we go. So, what we are looking at, what was that again? 2 and 1/4 in 2 inch. So let's look for that one. 218. Ah, so it's right here somewhere. All right, so I found the coupling. So I'm getting this one, but I'm gonna get this one just in case. 2 inch, but I'm pretty sure it's this one. Well, I'm gonna get this too, so that way I don't have to go back and forth here. And then now we need the clamp. It's one of these ones. All right, so we found what we need. All right, so there's two clamps that we need. That's it. All right, let's go. Oh man, it's about to start raining now, guys. All right, so now, are you here early? Huh? How'd you get here early? So early? Okay, let me just check. And I'm hoping everything should work. Wow. Let's see now. I hope that this one is the right piece.
I thought you said if you go in this position, you get dizzy.
Wow. Let me see. Ooh, it's a little bit big.
What is?
Can you see me through? Oh, there you go. I see. Well, maybe I'm not going to use that. I'll use this. Let me see. Oh no. Yeah, it should fit. Right? Yeah, that's the one. Oh my, it's just right on. Uh-huh. So I don't have to cut nothing. Okay. So what I was thinking to do here. What I was thinking to do here. We're just gonna clamp it. And then we're just gonna have it weld. Right? But even the clamp alone is it should hold it in place. Okay, let me get my hammer.
Where's your hammer?
It's in the garage. Don't worry. It looks like it's going in. How far is that one? Yep, that's okay. No, that's actually it's good. Okay, so now let's put this one in. Oh, now it's back.
Huh?
Right there. Okay. So what I used was the 2-inch outside or 2-inch inside diameter. So I didn't use this one. This one is 2 inside diameter and 2-inch outside. So I used the 2-inch inside diameter.
What's this? You're gonna put this?
Yeah. So I have 2 clamps. What's this one?
What's called?
All right, so we got it, guys. So this is the one we're gonna use. We're gonna be using 2 1/8. The pipe is not really 2 1/8. It's 2 1/4, but I am using 2 1/8 to fit it properly. Okay, this is the 2 1/8 one. Right there. Right. Ah. You see that?
Oh.
There you go. See how good this one is? Huh? See, this is the clamp I'm talking about. Right? Because if you don't clamp this one properly, it's not to it, even this clamp alone will hold it in place. So right there. Are you happy? What do you think? Huh? Ah, I'm sorry guys, I'm talking to my daughter. Yeah, it's good. Start. Alright, so now let's start it. Doesn't sound like a racing car. I thought that I did it like that. Okay, so now that's good.
Yeah, it's a track. It's a track.
Huh? It's a track. How can I talk? Can I talk to one? Yeah, one. How long is it? One to talk. I do, but it's only like for final stuff. So that was usually it's not going to start off. I won't get on.
All right.
Okay, so right now I'm just gonna tack it just to make sure. I hope this welding is gonna work. Let's see now. Don't look, okay?
Oh.
Because
Put your mask on.
yeah, I know. What happened? I'm not doing anything. No. Yep. Okay, so that's what we did. We just tapped it like that. Because I won't be able to weld all around because we're on the top, so there's no point. So tack it like that just to secure everything. The other one, we don't need it. Only this one. Alright, so that's good for today. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Just like what we did just now. Oh. Alright, I'll see you guys again until next time. Same channel. DIY. No, DIY, do it yourself.